The main idea is to develop this area through the concept of growth center of Manado-Bitung in North Sulawesi is to speeding up the development, to add more basic infrastructure and social infrastructure for the local, like road, port, airport, electricity, water supply, and also facilities to support the education and health. That's the most important.
Behind me, there's a group of macaques here. They're endemics to Sulawesi. We try to prepare them to release back to the wild. Behind these cages, there's gonna be the main road. They're gonna be built more wider and bigger. So for the rehabilitations, it's gonna be too much disturbance for the animals.